I'm sharing my screen right now. Let's go to Fiverr and look at what a typical freelancer site will look like. This is Fiverr. We're going to try to create our own profile on Fiverr. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to log off from my own so that we'll be able to do a simple practical for us to look at. Let me see. I can log out from here. Before we log out, as you can see, this is my profile. It comes with all the options. I can switch to be a seller and I can also switch to be a buyer at the same time. It gives us all those options. All these options are there: your profile, your post a project brief, your dashboard, and the likes, your account setting, your billing, where you put your account, and all the likes. But let's go and see how fast we can create gig on Fiverr. Okay, let me sign out from here. So this is the Fiverr platform. It's a freelancing platform where you will be able to create your own profile or your own gig. So we just come and click on join. Let's assume I don't have any profile at all. And I come to continue with email. Let me see if I can use any free email that I have. So let's try and see the Teju Energy if we can use it. Teju as a name. Okay. So he asked me to go to my email. As you can see, the step, all I need to do was to enter the email account and the password, following the required step, and it asked me to go and confirm my email. So I'll go to my email and check my inbox and wait for the mail to come. So I'm in Teju Energy. Let me refresh. Okay, here it is for me to activate the account. The steps are very simple. So I go there, copy the code, and I paste. I click on submit. And automatically the profile has been set up already. As simple as that. It's not difficult. Then it gives you an option of if you're a client or you're a freelancer, you pick either of them. You understand? If you're a client, that means that you want to actually give out a service for people to do. For let's assume I have a company and I actually want to build a logo. I want a logo for my company. I am now a client. But if you're a freelancer, that means I'm the one that will render the logo service to that person. So let's assume we pick on I'm a freelancer and we click on next. Say great, you're almost there. Here's what's next. Complete your freelancer profile, create your first gig, publish it, and start selling. Just as simple as that. The steps are straightforward. Complete your freelancer profile, you can start exploring. Let's complete our profile. So it brings us here, ready to start selling on Fiverr. Here's the breakdown. Learn what makes you successful in profile. You can go ahead and read, publish your gig, and I just click on continue. And I come as well, what makes a successful Fiverr profile, blah, blah, blah. This is just a guide so that you will get your profile done with clarity and with ease. I click on next again, and the same thing. Now let's talk about things you want to stay clear of. There are do's and don'ts so that they won't block your. I click on continue. Wow. So it brings me to my profile now. I enter my name. I said it's going to be Teju. Let's assume. Okay, I put in my Teju mic and it plays it automatically here for me. I can decide to come here and change it, but I like to be profile picture. You just come here and click, enter a profile picture. Do we have any profile picture around? Okay, let's assume I want to pick this as my profile picture so that I won't go too far. So you must have had your profile picture there. Your description is where you can now decide to use your AI tool to get the right description of what you want to do. Let's assume you are into logo services. I can just come to my um, chat and say, write a great description for my what I'm doing. For my Fiverr page. I want to make it as simple as it is. I am into logo design. Just click enter. I just want something very simple. Okay, let's assume this is what is giving us. I can just copy. Let's just assume I'm just copying this particular this thing here after plotting it right, and I paste it here. This may be it gives us a maximum of 600 words, so you can add whatever you need to add. This is just an example, and it gives you options of languages here. So if you don't want to pick English, but you want to do Italy, that's your own. So your level of fluency in English, you can say fluent. Okay? I think that is that for this part. Add more language to whatever you're doing. I'll come and click on continue. Then the profile information, your occupation, you assume I pick this. I come here and select logo. I click on graphics or anything I feel is necessary for me in terms of the occupation aspect of it. You can decide to put the year you've been experienced. Maybe I like say 2020 to 2025. Can leave it at that place. So you can select whichever one you feel is okay for you. The design you can do. And lost your skill set too. You fill up your skill set as the case may be. I won't have to do that. Your education background, you also go that and certificate. All these are additional things you can add to it. Then you just click on when you are done on your website. If you have one, you just click on continue. So it's still asking for my skill sets. Let's assume let's say I put in design, experience, I say expert. And let's just put one and leave. Okay, it allows me your email. If you wish, you put your email, obviously, and verify it. And also your phone number also. You do the same thing. You can add your phone number and also verify. Here, and it's not giving me the opportunity. But let's see. Let's add our phone number and see. Let's do verify by call. Let's see if it's going to call the number. Please enter the verification code. Let me check my phone if the verification code is there. You give me some few minutes. Okay. I think the call is coming in. Let's see.
Hello. Thank you for your phone verification system. Your code is 7305. Once again, your code is 7.
Okay. 005. Good. So it has given us the code. It's actually called and it said, okay. So we've added the phone number. Then it's asking add security question. I can pick any of these as the case. If you want the name of your first pet, I can say Lucy. Something you will always remember in case there's an issue with your account. And I click on OK. Let's see how far it will go for my gig. So here it is. That's the Teju Energy. It has given me my profile. So Teju M. So if I click here, these other aspects are things that you might need to fill, especially where your money will go to after you finish a particular job and they are paying you. You understand? Your billing and payment is one place you will definitely not want to play with, because from there you should be able to, configure your currency, your bank, and every other thing inside this platform. Your billing information, you can see, you put all your details there and configure it for yourself. So, however, we'll be doing that in the next class. This is just an introduction for us to know. So, for today, what we will do is to do a quick assignment for us. Just go to Fiverr or any freelancer group and just create your gig like this. When next we are coming, we are definitely going to show you how to reconfigure everything that you need to do on your profile from the beginning to the end. Add your accounts, create new accounts, and the likes. So thank you so much for listening. So that is just what that's going to be for today.